Welcome to this session. We are studying the subject power engineering and refrigeration. We are studying the gas turbines. Let us compare the closed cycle gas turbine with the open cycle gas turbine. So, on the basis of some points, we are going to compare the closed cycle gas turbine with the open cycle gas turbine. So, in case of the closed cycle gas turbine, the cycle is closed. That means the working substance is recirculated. The working substance flows again and again. The same working substance is flowing through the various components of the turbine, maybe the compressor, combustion chamber, or the turbine itself. And in case of the open cycle gas turbine, the working substance changes every time. After each circle, new working substance is added to the system, and the previous working substance is leaving the system. So, in case of open cycle gas turbine, since air is the working substance, every time air is sucked from the atmosphere and the exhaust gases at the end of the cycle, they leave the turbine and they go to the atmosphere again. So, next point is the working fluid. In case of the open cycle gas turbine, by default the working substance is air, because we have to take the air from the atmosphere, and the fuel is also injected in the combustion chamber, and in presence of the air or in presence of the oxygen which is present in the air, the combustion of the fuel takes place. But at the end, this air is exhausted to the environment. So, in case of open cycle gas turbine, air is the working substance by default. But in case of closed cycle gas turbine, we can have a better working substance. We can have a working substance having better thermal properties. So, instead of air, we can have some other working substance, better working substance like helium, or the mixture of helium and carbon dioxide. And this working substance is having better thermal properties, and therefore we can change the working substance in case of the closed cycle gas turbine, because this working substance is once added doesn't change. Next point is the manner of heat input. Now, in case of the closed cycle gas turbine, there is a indirect contact between the working substance and the air or the gases which heat the working substance. But in case of open cycle gas turbine, there is a direct heat addition. That means the combustion takes place in the working substance itself, or the working substance itself take part in the combustion, and that working substance is expanded in the turbine. So, we don't have separate gases for heating purpose. There is a direct contact between the heating gases and the working substance, or the working substance itself act as the gas which heat the itself. Now, the quality of the heat input or the quality of the fuel used, type of fuel used, on this point we are going to compare the closed cycle gas turbine with the open cycle gas turbine. Now, in case of closed cycle gas turbine, we can use the low grade fuel like coal, coke, or even wood, because there is no direct contact between the working substance and the products of combustion. Whereas in case of open cycle gas turbine, the products of combustion mix with the working substance, or the products of combustion are a part of the working substance, and therefore the fuel added is generally a high grade fuel like diesel, petrol, or some gaseous fuel, and therefore can say that the quality of the heat input in case of open cycle gas turbine must be high, whereas the quality of heat input in case of closed cycle gas turbine can be lower. We have the choice of the quality of the heat input or the grade of the fuel which is used in case of the closed cycle gas turbine. But in case of open cycle gas turbine, we don't have any choice regarding the fuel or the quality of the heat input. Now the efficiency of the closed cycle gas turbine is higher than the open cycle gas turbine because there is a minimum wastage of the heat, and there is a due to high pressure there is a proper combustion, proper mixing of the working substance, and there is a proper heat transfer, and therefore the efficiency of the closed cycle gas turbine is higher than the open cycle gas turbine. The part load performance or the part load efficiency of the closed cycle gas turbine is also better than the open cycle gas turbine. The size of the plant for the same power output in case of closed cycle gas turbine is smaller. In case of closed cycle gas turbine, we can have a small size of plant for the same power output as compared to the open cycle gas turbine, because in case of open cycle gas turbine the plant size increases because we can't increase the pressure of the air which is entering the compressor or which is entering the system. That will be equal to the atmospheric pressure, because the air from the atmosphere is entering inside the system or inside the compressor at the beginning. But in case of the closed cycle gas turbine, we can use the pre-compressed working substance, or the pressure of the working substance can be higher, or you can say the density can be higher. So in less volume we can have more quantity of the working substance available for the heat exchange. So the power output will be higher with the same size, right? Or the size will be smaller in case of closed cycle gas turbine as compared to the open cycle gas turbine, right? Now the life of the blade in case of closed cycle gas turbine will be much more than in case of the open cycle gas turbine. The reason is that in case of closed cycle gas turbine, the working substance doesn't contain the exhaust gases or the products of combustion which are corrosive in nature. But in case of open cycle gas turbine, the working substance is a part of the products of combustion which are corrosive in nature, and therefore the blade life is less in case of open cycle gas turbine than the closed cycle gas turbine. Now the control is better in case of the closed cycle gas turbine as compared to the open cycle gas turbine. So control on the power output and the other parameters is better in case of the closed cycle gas turbine as compared to open cycle gas turbine. But the last point is the important point, that the cost of the closed cycle gas turbine is higher than the open cycle gas turbine, because the material of construction should be strong and the system becomes complicated, and therefore the cost of the closed cycle gas turbine is higher than the open cycle gas turbine. So this is the comparison between the closed cycle gas turbine and the open cycle gas turbine. We can further try to compare the closed cycle gas turbine with the open cycle gas turbine. The compressed air is heated in the heating chamber. In case of closed cycle gas turbine, compressed air is heated in the heating chamber. In case of the open cycle gas turbine, the compressed air is heated in the combustion chamber. Right? So that is the difference. In case of closed cycle gas turbine, compressed air is heated, but that is heated in the heating chamber or the heat exchanger. But in case of open cycle gas turbine, the compressed air is heated in the combustion chamber itself. Right? Now the second point, as the gas is heated by an external source, hence the amount of gas remains same throughout the cycle. So the gas or the working substance is heated by an external source. There is indirect contact between the heating elements or the gases which heat the working substance and the working substance. So that particular working substance is continuously recirculated. It is flowing again and again. So its quantity is not changing, right? And the working substance is not changing. The same working substance flows through the system continuously. But in case of open cycle gas turbine, the products of combustion get mixed up with the heated air, hence same doesn't remain in the cycle. The products of the combustion, they are getting mixed with the air, which is first of all compressed and then heated due to mixing with the products of combustion. Hence every time these products of combustion has to be replaced. During every cycle, fresh air is entering inside the system, and the products of combustion along with the working substance, they are going back to the atmosphere. The third point, the gas after turbine is passed into the cooling chamber. In case of closed cycle gas turbine, the gas or the working substance is cooled before it enters into the compressor for the next cycle. But in case of the open cycle gas turbine, the gas is exhausted into the atmosphere, so no cooling is required. It is directly going to the atmosphere. The gas means the working substance which leaves the turbine. Now the fourth point, the working fluid is circulated continuously. In case of closed cycle gas turbine, working fluid is circulated continuously, but in open cycle gas turbine, the working fluid is replaced continuously. That means it is replaced in each cycle. In each cycle we have new working substance, right? So now let us go ahead to study few more points of comparison between the closed cycle gas turbine and the open cycle gas turbine. The fifth point, any fluid with better thermodynamic properties can be used. So we are having some fluids which are having the thermodynamic properties better than air, and the example is helium or the mixture of helium and carbon dioxide. So this fluid, this working fluid is preferred to be used in the closed cycle gas turbine because it is having better thermodynamic properties, better heat transfer coefficient and other properties. But in case of the open cycle gas turbine, only air is used as the working fluid. By default, we have to use air as the working fluid because air is sucked from the atmosphere, and in the atmosphere, in the environment, air only is present. The sixth point, the turbine blades do not wear away earlier as the enclosed gas does not get contaminated while flowing through heating chamber. So the life of the turbine blades is better in case of closed cycle gas turbine because they do not wear, because the gas which is impinged, which strikes the turbine blades, that gas is not corrosive. It doesn't get contaminated by mixing with the products of combustion, right? And therefore the life of the turbine blades is good. They do not easily wear, or there is no corrosion of the turbine blades in case of closed cycle gas turbine. But in case of open cycle gas turbine, the turbine blades wear away easily as the air from atmosphere get contaminated while flowing through the combustion chamber. The air which is used as the working substance, it get mixed with the products of combustion, right, inside the combustion chamber, and that comes in contact with the turbine blades continuously, and therefore the corrosion and the wear and tear of the turbine blades occur faster in case of the open cycle gas turbine. Seventh point, the mass of installation per kilowatt is more. The mass of installation per kilowatt is more. Mass is more in case of closed cycle gas turbine, because the material should be heavy, because the pressure is higher, the density of the air and the pressure of the working substance which is passing in the system, through the system, is higher than 1 atmosphere at the beginning only. Before compression itself the pressure is higher, right? And since the system has to withstand the higher pressures and higher temperatures, the material should be stronger, and the stronger material is heavier, and therefore the mass of the material and mass of the system is more in case of the closed cycle gas turbine. But in case of open cycle gas turbine, due to same reason, the mass of installation per kilowatt is less, because the pressure is less in open cycle gas turbine compared to closed cycle gas turbine. In case of the closed cycle gas turbine, the maintenance cost is high, but the maintenance cost is low in case of open cycle gas turbine, because the closed cycle gas turbine is more complicated, more sophisticated. The heat exchanger is again complicated, and therefore the maintenance is more difficult. Maintenance cost is increased in case of the closed cycle gas turbines. So thus we have studied the points of differences between the open cycle and closed cycle gas turbine. Now we can talk about the advantages of the closed cycle gas turbine over the open cycle gas turbine. Reduced size. The size of the closed cycle gas turbine is smaller because initial compressor inlet pressure can be several times higher than the atmospheric pressure. The inlet pressure of the working substance, inlet to the compressor or inlet to the system itself, we can say, can be higher, right? And since the pressure is high, the density of the working substance will be high, so the required quantity of working substance will require less volume, because its density is high, or you can say pressure is high. So when pressure is increased, the volume is reduced for the same quantity or for the same mass of the working substance, because in order to produce a certain quantity of certain amount of power, we require a certain amount of working substance, because that is really responsible for the transfer of the energy and the storage of the energy. Okay, so the quantity of the working substance is very important, and here in case of the closed cycle gas turbine, more quantity of working substance can be accommodated in less volume, because the pressure is increased, and this will reduce the size of the system, the size of the overall system. Thus the pressure throughout the cycle can be made much higher than in open cycle, and therefore the size of the plant is smaller for the same output. For the same output, the size will be smaller in case of closed cycle gas turbine. We are discussing the advantages of closed cycle gas turbine over open cycle gas turbine. The combustion is external in closed cycle gas turbine. Combustion is external means the products of combustion do not come in direct contact with the working substance. They are coming in indirect contact. There is only heat transfer between the working substance and the products of combustion. And therefore we say that the combustion is external in closed cycle gas turbine, while it is internal in case of open cycle gas turbine. Combustion is internal in case of open cycle gas turbine means the combustion products of combustion get mixed with the working substance, or the products of combustion are a part of the working substance itself, right? Or the working substance, part of the working substance get converted into the products of combustion. It takes part in the combustion itself. The working substance itself take part in the combustion. Therefore we say that the combustion is internal in case of open cycle gas turbine. Now the cleanliness. Working fluid does not contain the products of combustion, and hence no carbon deposit on the turbine blades or the compressor or the heat exchanger. So this closed cycle gas turbine is clean. Cleanliness is maintained in case of the closed cycle gas turbine as far as the working substance is concerned, right? So the products of combustion are present only in the combustion chamber, but these products of combustion are not present elsewhere, neither in the compressor nor in the turbine, or not even in the heat exchanger also. So these products of combustion are present only in the combustion chamber in case of closed cycle gas turbine. Some more advantages we are going to study. The life is more in case of closed cycle gas turbine because no corrosion or erosion of turbine blades and no harmful effects of combustion, hence longer life of the turbine blades is possible in case of closed cycle gas turbine. Part load efficiency in case of closed cycle gas turbine is improved due to the use of accumulator for working fluid under varying load conditions. If the conditions which prevail or which are applicable are varying load conditions, when the load is varying, then the accumulator is used for the working fluid, and due to that the part load efficiency is improved. So whenever there is excess energy, that time the working fluid will be stored in the accumulator having the energy, right? And it can be utilized whenever there is requirement of additional energy, and due to this storage facility the part load efficiency is better in the closed cycle gas turbine. Fuel. Due to external combustion, any fuel can be used. Even coal can be used, coke can be used, or sometimes wood can also be used in case of the closed cycle gas turbine, because the combustion is external. The products of combustion doesn't come in contact with the working substance. So we can use even the solid fuel, or low grade of fuel can also be used in case of the closed cycle gas turbine. Now let us go to the disadvantages of the closed cycle gas turbine over open cycle gas turbine. The initial cost is high in case of closed cycle gas turbine because large heating surfaces are required in the air heater and pre-cooler. This increases initial cost. So when there is a heat transfer, indirect heat transfer, and therefore the heating surfaces should be large, then only the required heat transfer is possible. So that will increase the cost. The initial cost is increased, and moreover before the working substance enter the compressor, it has to be cooled, pre-cooled, right? And for that purpose also efficient heat exchangers are required. The heat exchangers having larger heating surfaces or larger surfaces available for heat exchange are required, and that will also increase the initial cost. Then the necessity of cooling water in pre-cooler hence can't be used in aeronautical engines. So cooling water is necessary for pre-cooling of the working substance. Before the working substance enter the compressor, the working substance has to be pre-cooled, and for that cooling water is needed, right? And this is not possible in case of the aeronautical engines. In case of the planes, it is not possible to carry lot of cooling water, okay, and therefore it cannot be used in the aeronautical engines. Need of pressure tight system increases cost and complexity. Complexity is used increased and the cost is increased because the system has to be pressure tight, not only air tight, but it has to be pressure tight, right? And therefore the system should be very strong, tough, leak proof, or you can say pressure tight system is required. So that will definitely increase the cost, and it also increases the complexity. The manufacturing is difficult and manufacturing is costly, and therefore the initial cost is also increased, maintenance is also increased in case of the closed cycle gas turbine. Now let us have a glance, let us compare the constant pressure gas turbines, constant pressure cycle gas turbines with the constant volume cycle gas turbine. Okay, so whenever we say constant pressure, we should say constant pressure combustion gas turbine, and here constant volume combustion gas turbines, because constant pressure gas turbine means that gas turbine in which the combustion takes place at constant pressure. In the combustion chamber, the combustion is continuous, right? It takes place at constant pressure. There is no explosion in case of the constant pressure cycle gas turbine, right? So the combustion is continuous in case of the constant pressure gas turbine, but there is a explosive type of combustion in the constant volume cycle gas turbine. So the combustion is intermittent or explosive type in case of the constant volume gas turbine, but in case of the constant pressure gas turbine, the combustion is continuous, the fuel is added continuously and slowly, so there is no sudden increase in the pressure, or we can say the pressure remains constant. But in case of the constant volume gas turbine, the pressure suddenly increases due to the explosive type of combustion, and the volume remains constant. In the same volume, since the volume is not changing, the pressure changes, so it is a constant volume gas turbine, and the flow of the gas is also intermittent. Then this applicability is also different. The constant pressure gas turbine is applicable to the open cycle gas turbine as well as closed cycle gas turbine. So whenever the gas turbine, the combustion in the gas turbine is at constant pressure, then it may be either a open cycle gas turbine or it may be a closed cycle gas turbine. That means in open cycle as well as closed cycle gas turbine we can have the constant pressure combustion, but we can have the constant volume combustion only in case of the open cycle gas turbine, right? So thank you my dear friends.